Hi, it's Bobby with Office Tracker. Today we're going to go over scheduling holidays in advance with Office Tracker. With Office Tracker, you can easily add holidays and days your office will be closed to your schedule. You can set reoccurring holidays so they will automatically be added to your calendar every year. You can schedule the holidays on your calendar either as a non-timed event or you can set the event up to span a predetermined time frame. I am going to walk you through setting up a holiday that spans a couple of days, as well as one that is set up as a non-timed event. First, I'm going to show you how to set up Christmas Eve and Christmas Day as a single reoccurring event on my schedule that will span a 2-day time period. Follow these steps to set up the event. Click on New Event. Type in the description of the event. Set the date and time range that your office will be closed. For instance, mine's going to be set from 12/24/2018 at 8 a.m. until 12/25 at 6 o'clock p.m. Add the names of the users that you would like to schedule the holiday for. I am going to include all of the doctors in my office. Set the label, if you have one, for out of the office or holidays. You can create new labels in the Office Tracker admin page if you would like to add this in. Click on Reoccurring. Change the frequency to yearly. And adjust the stop after this date. I'm going to set it to 2030 and say OK. Click on the Details tab. Click on the drop-down menu next to Icon. Select the Christmas tree icon and click OK. It is that simple. Now, every year, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day will automatically be blocked off on your user's schedule during this time period. Next, we will schedule a holiday as a non-timed event. Non-timed events display at the top of your schedule window. This is useful when scheduling a holiday on a work day and you would like to schedule other events on that day as well. Let's set up Valentine's Day as a recurring non-timed event. Follow these steps to set up the event. Click on New Event. In the first drop-down menu, select Non-Timed Event. Type in the description of the event. Set the date range for the event. We're going to set it as February 14th. Add the names of the users that you would like to schedule the holiday for. Click on the Reoccurring. Select Yearly from the frequency. Adjust the stop after this date. Again, I'm going to set it for 2030 and say OK. Click on the Details tab and let's set an icon for Valentine's Day. We're going to select the heart and click OK. It is that simple. Now, every year, Valentine's Day will automatically show up on your user's schedule as a non-timed event. By adding all of your company holidays at the beginning of the year, you can easily let all of your users see what days your office will be closed for the entire year. That about covers it for today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we upload a new video tutorial. These tutorials are designed to help you get the most out of your Office Tracker software. Make sure to follow us on Facebook for more handy tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!